Every time a designer hands you a Figma file, you're basically a human OCR machine. A simple card component, that's 60 minutes. A full landing page, there goes half a week. But what if you could point AI at your Figma file and have it generate the code for you? That's the promise of Claude Code with Figma's MCP server. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Figma files to Claude Code for AI-driven design-to-code workflows. Before we start, let's make sure you have the prerequisites. First, you'll need to install Claude Code. The command is npm install -g at anthropic-ai/Claude Code. Second, you'll need a dev or full seat Figma account with at least one design file. I have an account sign-up card, which I will use for this demo. Third, you'll need a project where the code needs to be generated. I have a React MUI app where a sign-up page needs to be implemented. Now to get started, we need to enable the Figma MCP server. As of this recording, you can only enable it in the desktop app. Open Figma, click the menu in the upper left, go to Preferences, and enable Dev Mode MCP server. This spins up a local server on port 3845. Now for the Claude Code part, open your terminal and run this single command. That's it, you're now connected to your Figma files. To test the connection, run the command Claude MCP list. You should see the Figma Dev Mode MCP server in the list. All right, now that our setup is complete, it's time for the fun part. Let's convert this sign-up card design to code with AI. Copy the link to the design in Figma and paste it into Claude Code with your prompt. Convert this sign-up card design to code and paste that link. Press enter and Claude will get to work. If you take a look at the code that is generated, you can see it's reusing the MUI components and the code written is pretty close to what a good developer would have written. If you take a look at the UI, it's a really good starting point. The combination of Claude Code and the Figma MCP server is pretty cool, but there are some practical considerations for production workflows. Let's take a look at some of the limitations. First, Claude Code is great at generating new components from scratch, but it's not great at updating existing components. If you make a change to the design and request the code to be updated, Claude tries to generate the entire component again. In this process, it ends up making incorrect functional changes to the code. Second, sharing multiple Figma links is not supported with the MCP server. If you have a design with multiple states, you need to convert each Figma frame individually, then prompt Claude Code again to combine them into an interactive component. Each step means more tokens, more time, and careful coordination of how the pieces fit together. Third, it's not possible to iterate on the generated output visually. If you want to adjust that padding or tweak the hover state, you can keep prompting. But AI can only understand so much from screenshots, and you'll just burn through tokens without getting what you want. And finally, this is limited to developers since the entire workflow lives in the command line. While this might seem fine at first, it means you become the bottleneck for every change. Every A/B test variant from your PM, every "can we make this text bigger" request from marketing, and every "the padding feels off" comment from designers all land on your backlog. Speaking from experience, these aren't the problems that got us excited about programming in the first place. At Builder, we've been tackling this same design-to-code problem from a different angle. Claude Code shows that AI can generate good code from designs, but all the limitations come from one root cause. We're forcing a visual, collaborative process into a text-based single-player workflow. That's why we built Fusion, which reimagines design-to-code as a visual experience that generates code. Instead of regenerating code every time, Fusion actually understands your design system. When you sync changes from Figma, it only updates the visual properties. Your React logic, your useState hooks, your API calls all stay intact. And remember the carousel problem? Well, in Fusion, you just drop all 3 frames at once and ask for it to implement the carousel. It automatically recognizes the patterns and generates a complete working carousel component in one shot. What's awesome is, unlike other tools, after code generation, you can adjust the design visually while the code updates in real time. If it looks perfect in Fusion, it looks perfect in production because it's the same code. And if you're working with a team, Fusion lets other team members handle their own changes while you tackle the interesting engineering problems. Designers import their Figma designs through a visual interface and see how exactly they will render in production. PMs can create working prototypes using your actual components. Marketing teams can finally build landing pages and make content changes without requesting developer time. Every change happens with your design system, your coding standards, on a separate Git branch with automatic preview URLs. The convergence of AI and design tools is just beginning. Fusion represents our bet on the future. Try Fusion for free by clicking the link in the description.